So it's quarantine time, and that means a lot of people are thinking about making bread. And because I've been making bread maybe 2 or 3 times a week for a while now, I thought I would share my recipe. This is Francis. This is my starter. I think by tomorrow morning we can make another loaf. So let's see what that's like. Okay, it is about 2 hours later, and we are about doubled. 200 grams of starter in here, 500 grams of water. Mix that up. 700 grams of flour. And then we will also feed Francis. So now I can put Francis back in the fridge, because I'm not going to need them for another few days. Bye, Francis. So when you mix this up, it's going to look kind of like a shaggy mess. That is okay. Take 1 tablespoon of salt out of the top, and that way it doesn't interfere with the autolyzing of the gluten. You take a cloth and just let that sit for 30 minutes. Okay, half hour later, here is our bread. Okay. We're going. Try not to put a hole in it. If you do, it's not a big deal. All right. Let that sit. See y'all in a half hour. Okay, folding number 3. Okay, let's fold them. Oops. Okay. There. Put it on top of that. See you in the morning.